install Android on any iPhone that you use. In any iPhone that you use. And this phone right here is iPhone XX Max. And I am coming to show you how to do it. iPhone XX Max. And it is running on iOS 13.3. So, not to waste much time, let's begin by opening our Safari. Then go to the search and search for iTest.nz. Then run it. Now you see Samsung test. This is going to install Samsung software on the iPhone for us to use it as an Android. So let's go here. Then go to add to home screen. It's going to create a bookmark on our home screen. So let's add it. This is the software that we're going to use. So let's open it. It's going to open. So let's tap on next. Let's go next and let's go. So as you can see, we have Android Samsung phone running on iPhone, and this is iPhone XS Max. Yeah, iPhone XS Max, but we are running Samsung software on the phone. Let's go to settings. As you can see, we have Samsung running on the phone. You see, this is message. Everything is running perfectly. So let's open camera. As you can see, camera 2.
Hi, I'm Logan Dodds, a registered plumber who's made a living filming my adventures. So who better to show you around your new Samsung camera? After all, it's designed to turn anyone.
See video.
Once you're on a real Samsung, you'll be able to simply swipe left or right to change modes, or swipe.
So as you can see, this works for all iPhones. And if you want to go back to your iPhone, you just swipe down, then you are back to your iPhone. I'm coming to show you again on iPhone X. This one is SS Max. I'm coming to do it again on iPhone X for you to see. iPhone X. Let's on the data, then continue. Let's open the Safari and then search for iTest.nz. iTest. iTest.nz. Let's go. So you can see it's here. So you go here, and this is running on iOS 14.2 or 14.4 rather. iOS 14.4.2. iOS 14.4.2, and it's going to run it. So let's open this and then add it to the home screen. Add. This is it. Now let's open it and have it run. Next, let's go. And as you can see, it is running here smoothly. See settings, everything is working. You swipe up, you swipe down like you are using it on Samsung phones. You see, this is the notification panel, and everything is running perfectly like you are using a Samsung phone, but this is iPhone. Let's open camera.
Hi, I'm Logan Dodds, a registered plumber who's made a living filming my.
let's go to phone. See, you can dial any number you want to dial, and it's working. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow for any video about iPhone. Thank you.